Now we know random number generation. Let's try to understand some different functions here. So this one, yes, for sure, everyone knows now, right? Between 1 to 40, we need 10 numbers, right? So just now we discussed. So now let's try to understand. So there is something called np.clip. This might come into picture in future, right? What is dot clip? Replace data with fixed numbers. Replace data with fixed numbers. So here we have some numbers which is already generated, right? Randomly generated. I am saying take this A underscore min, one of the parameter, A underscore max 25. So what they do actually? So what I'm going to do, I'm going to execute this. Now let's interpret this result. So maximum is 25, minimum 10. So let's look into the data here one by one. Suppose say this is 2, right? So that has been set to 10. And what else? 7. Because these 2, 7, 8 all are what? Less than 10, right? So minimum number, any number less than 10. Set to what? 10. So 2 is less than 10, replaced with 10. Similarly, 7 and 8, both have been replaced with 10 here. So that is basically A underscore min equal to 10. Any number less than 10, keep that as 10, replace with 10. Similarly, maximum 25. A underscore max 25. Any number greater than 25, any number greater than 25, set it to or replace that with the 25. 36 is greater than 25, replace with 25. Similarly, 38 is greater than 25, set it to 20. Right? So that's how you can replace some numbers. So here you can change the number however you want. So what I am going to do, I am going to change from 10 to say 5. All right. Now let's execute this. Only one number qualifies, right? So you can see this is only one number which is less than 5, replaced with 5. So that's how you can manipulate the data using dot clip, right? So that's what is the dot clip does. So now let's understand that this is an important term, np dot where. np dot where. So this is going to check the index position of this numbers. What is this number? A less than 10. This is the condition. What are all the data in our A, right? A, suppose we have all these numbers. Any data less than 10. What is the index number for each and every elements? So let's execute this and interpret. So now what it is giving, A less than 10. Is 38 less than 10? So let's first understand the index positions. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Right? So which data is less than 10? Number 2. What is the index position for that? 1. 1 is printed. So 31 is not less than 10, 28 is not, 32 is not, 30 is not, 7 is less than 10. What is the index position for that? 6. 6 is printed. Similarly, 8, 7. So np dot where it is going to check the condition, and whichever the data is going to be true or the condition is going to be true. So for that data, the corresponding index positions will be returned. This we are going to use in our machine learning as well. where we need to understand the index positions, index numbers. In the millions of rows, how will you find? How will you find when you have millions of rows, which condition is matching and which index position? So using np.where, we will be able to identify. There are different ways. This is one of them. It is not the only way. This is one of them. Right? And you can say, if you want, here we have given a less than, you can also give exact number. If a is equal to 38, then yes, this is the 0th index, right? So you can see 0. Right? You can change this number, corresponding index number will be returned. All right.